online math classes. Today we're going to be looking at algebra, and we are looking at question 2 part. In particular, these types of questions on our CSEC past paper basically contain questions on simplification involving indices, factorizations, as well as substitutions. So we're going to be looking at these, and we're starting off with question 2a part 1, which involves indices. So we have here question 2, part A, part 1, simplify a cubed b squared by ab cubed. Let's write down a statement. The very first thing we need to do, once we have our statement of our problem here, we're going to take a look carefully at the terms involved. Now, if I look at this particular algebraic expression, I'll notice that I have two different bases. I have base A and I also have base B. Now, these are important as laws of indices tell us what we do when we have same bases and we are doing the arithmetic operations of multiplication, for instance, or division. Now, in this case, our operation is multiplication. So immediately we must recollect our laws of indices concerning the multiplication of the same bases. And that law tells us that if we have the same bases, we're finding products of them, we are going to add our powers. So from here, what I'll do in my next line, I'm going to write down the base that I'm going to be working with first, which is A. Now, I already said that my laws of indices will tell me that I have to find the sum of the powers or the indices, the exponents of the same bases whenever we are doing the product of these. Now, what is our power here? Our power here is 3. So I'm just going to write in 3. Now remember our laws of indices. We said we have to find the sum of the powers. What is the power of A here? Well, for some of us, we might be tempted to say 0 because we're not seeing a power. However, this is a reminder, we don't want to take these things for granted. This here, although I'm not seeing the power of 1, this term by itself represents the power of 1. So the power that I'll be adding to my 3 is 1. Now let's see. Our second base is B. So we're going to write in B now. What are the powers of B? If I look back up at my expression, I have a power of 2, so I'm going to start with that. What is our operation again? Multiplication. So we are going to be adding the next power to this, which is 3. So from here, this is just straightforward addition, and we are almost done with our answer. So from here now, what is the sum of 3 and 1? I get 4. And the sum of 2 and 3? 5. And my answer is just A to the 4th, B to the 5th. Alright? So some of the things that technically confuse people in most circumstances involving these types of problems, they forget about A, or tables like these I should say, that if there is no power, it means that power is 1. Another thing some people forget about is the basic law itself, where if you have multiplication of the same bases, you just simply need to add the powers. Okay? So if you do have problems with anything involving indices, I would strongly suggest you go over your laws of indices. Or if you would like this lesson in particular for yourself to help, re-emphasize the need to understand those laws and to make some sort of reinforcement to what you already know, we can always organize a private session that will help you with understanding laws of indices. Okay? But once you were able to recall your laws of indices, use them properly and apply it to this particular problem, and get this final response, you will not get marks here. Alright? So this question was just worth 1 mark. And again, like with question 1, some of these little elementary things, you don't want to really lose these marks. You want these to be sure given marks for you, because these will help give you a better chance to score a higher grade if that's what you're really after. Okay?